Hello everybody, good morning. It's me Dipendra Kanu. Here is the book that is Popular Spoken Sentences. This book is very useful for the beginners, for the advanced and for even for the intermediate level students who are trying hard to improve their spoken English. So this book has been selected as the course material, and in this book you will find all the useful sentences which are picked from the day-to-day life and from the day-to-day conversation. So they are very useful for all of us. And when you are preparing from this book, you need to take care of a few things like fluency and the tone, as well as the structure of the sentence which are used in the sentence. And you can also make your own sentence on the very basis of the sentence which have been given over here. One example we'll take from the book. You can turn page number 77, and here you'll find the sentences from English language have been given over here. So the first sentence is like English language is spoken all over the world. So if you speak fast, it doesn't matter. If you speak slow, it doesn't matter. But the thing is that you need to maintain the fluency. Like you should not break the sentence whenever you pronounce the sentence or whenever you say the sentence in front of anyone. Like you should say English language is spoken all over the world. You can say English language is spoken all over the world. You can say English language is spoken all over the world. So fast or slow, that doesn't matter. But the thing is that you should not make a mistake in saying the sentence in a broken language. Like English language is spoken. English language. So you should not repeat the sentence or break the sentence, because that diverts the attention of the audience who are listening to you in a mass. So it gives you a negative. It gives them a negative impression about the sentence or about the person who is speaking the sentence. So you need to maintain the fluency. You need to maintain the tone, and you need to maintain the speed also, because your language should be understandable to all the people who are listening to you. I hope this tip will be very useful for all of you to study the book, which is Popular Spoken Sentences. This book is very useful even to make English environment in the boarding schools or the government schools, where the students speak, most of the time they speak in Nepali language, or they don't find any useful material to convey their thoughts to the teacher. That is why they use other methods to say something. So I hope if you study the book, you'll be also benefited, and if you study continuously from the book, you'll be able to improve your communication skills as well as your power spoken. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel also, so that we'll be encouraged. And if you want some tips on some other points, please do like in the do comment in the comment box, so that we'll be making the video in the coming days, and we'll produce some videos for you. And please share the video to the students who are studying from the book and who are trying to make their English strong and spoken. Thank you very much again.